Welcome. In this video, you will see how to measure your hinge overlay. Hinge overlay is how much your door overlaps the frame. This is important because for your new cabinet doors to properly cover your openings, you need the correct hinge overlay. Let's get started by measuring the width of your door. In this case, the door width is 18.5 inches. Next, let's measure the width of your opening behind the door you just measured. In this case, the opening is 17.5 inches. With a door width of 18.5 inches and an opening width of 17.5 inches, the difference is 1 inch. Since the door overlaps on both sides, you have to divide the difference between the door and the opening by 2. This determines your hinge overlay as 1/2 inch. It's that easy.